Well guys, here we go. We got our first snowstorm of the year. So I had to come out here and run to the lake today. It's brutally cold. I got a couple hot hands fired up in my pockets already. But yeah, we're gonna see what we can come up with, see if we can't rip a few. Historically speaking, at this lake, I mean, if it's a snowstorm like this, I can't remember one time I didn't catch a couple fish. So let's get the boat in the water and see how long we can stay warm. Hooked up. On a walleye. Probably a nice eater size if you're into that kind of thing. See you, buddy. There we go. Oh, I lost him. Doggone it. We're hooked up again, baby. Oh, very nice largie. There we go, baby. Let's go. That's what we're here for. Go, guys. Stuck one, and as I was resetting my cameras, jerkbait was sitting there, another one of those, so we're gonna get back in there. That was retardedness right there. I saw he barely had it. I was afraid of trying to lip him. Definitely rusty. Hey, we actually landed one, guys. I lost 3 fish in a row. another one. That one had a whole face full of it. Got ourselves a beaver dam fish. Right off the beaver dam. There we go. This one might be a little better. Got a whole face full. I should be able to flip this one. There we go. This one's right where he was supposed to be, guys. A little bit better one. Smallest one yet. I just lost one there again and then hooked up with this guy. Kind of wondering if the one I lost wasn't about this size too. Another one. There's another one. Got them fired up, boys. Mondays. Another one. All right, I think we're gonna move on past these guys. See if we can't catch us some bigger ones. Something little feels like. Perch. Pretty decent sized perch. That feels like a better fish. That's a nice largemouth. Yes! Finally got us a good one. That's what I'm talking about, guys. A chunk. Nice bass. See you, girl. Girl. Alright guys, I'm starting to get soaked. We're gonna go fish one spot that I lost 3 fish at earlier, see if we can get a little redemption, and then probably go put this thing on the trailer. I'm starting to soak through all my clothes. Oh my gosh, these fish don't want to be caught here. Oh guys, these fish beat me at this spot. I lost another one. But I'm soaked and my hands are freezing. My GoPros are about dead, so I'm going to get out of here. Thanks for tuning in to another video, guys. It felt great to be back out on the water and actually catch a few fish. I have made a few trips and just didn't catch enough that I felt like it was worth making a video out of. Don't forget to like and subscribe. We'll see you guys on the next video.